Alright, these are the essentials that you want to keep in your tool bag. These tools will get about 80% of the tire changes done, no problem. You're going to need a set of deep well sockets, like such. I use these, I keep them right here in the side of my bag for easy access. You're going to need a 3-pound dead blow hammer for when a tire gets stuck on the hub. I keep a hubcap puller in there. Those are used sometimes, but just enough to where I keep them in my bag. You're going to want a large flat screwdriver to pull some center caps off and for some other reasons, and then a small flat head screwdriver. I also keep a Ingersoll-Rand 20-volt cordless impact gun that will bust every lug nut loose. If you're not lucky enough to have a Ingersoll-Rand and you're using something like a DeWalt, you're going to need a breaker bar like this. This is a 25-inch breaker bar. You're going to need this if you carry like a Cobalt or a DeWalt or a Craftsman impact gun. I never use this anymore because I have the DeWalt. You're going to keep your jack handles in your bag. You're going to need a couple torque sticks. This is 100 pounds. This is 140 pounds. This is how you measure how tight you get the lug nuts when you put the spare tire back on. I keep this tool for when I need my sledgehammer to get stuck lug nuts and strip lugs out of the remover tools. This lug nut remover is for the bullet lugs. You can see the little grooves in there. This will work on most of the wheels that have the bullet lugs on there. Keep that in there. You're going to need a tool like this. This wire, it's a hard wire for Volkswagen hubcaps to pull the center cap off, and also for the just a bunch of the Volkswagens have these center caps with little holes in them, and they don't always have the tools. I carry these wheel bullets also for Volkswagens and BMWs and a couple other cars where the lug nut is also the stud. These come in handy from time to time, but enough again where you're going to keep them in the tool bag. And then a pair of gloves. And that's what your tool bag should look like. It's well organized. All the tools I need are right there, and this will do 80% of the jobs. Some other tools I keep in my truck that I don't always use, like strip lug nut removers, a breaker bar, a 2-pound sledgehammer, some miscellaneous pliers and stuff like that. But that's it for the tool bag. You want to have most of your tools that you're going to use most of the time in your tool bag, and you take that to the car. It'll save you 2 or 3 trips back and forth. This is the Fastest Roadside Guy Alive. I'm out.